Hello and namaste to all our system indicators who are working in IT and telecom, IT or telecom or city surveillance system indicators. And I hope that you are well taking care of yourself and your family and your office colleagues in the pandemic COVID-19 and 2020. And I also hope that you have started working in your companies or your offices or your factories or any whatsoever business you are into. So please take care of your everything. And today, as I committed in my earlier video, that today I'll bring some different product. So today I'm here with a new product. Basically, this is a Recon 12U outdoor cabinet. I think 55 cabinet is the same, but it is with the air condition. It's a world smallest air condition of 300 watt, which has an energy consumption of 120 watt on L35 condition. So this is a double wall cabinet, and the people from the IT and telecom and city surveillance background, they know what is the double wall. Double wall is basically double wall or double skin is the same cabinet. Double layer is also same cabinet. Basically what we do in the cabinet, we fill some sort of insulation material between two walls. The first wall is outer body and the another wall is inside body. So we fill some insulation material between these two walls, so that it becomes a double wall. Actually, it helps when your rack is you have put your rack in the full sun exposure, so it can maintain some degree of temperature. Like if inside temperature, if outside temperature is 40 degrees, or let's say it's a 40 degree. So in sun exposure, inside the cabinet it becomes 45, 40 some degree. So if we use outdoor cabinets, so it actually prevent the sun exposure heat to entering inside. So it sometimes it maintains the same temperature which is outside. Like if it is outside is 40, then inside also will be 40 or 41, something like that. So today I have bring this product. This is a completely double wall 12U outdoor cabinets, 12U or 13U you can say, with an air condition, and this is the world's smallest air condition in the rack segment basically. This is 300 watt, 48 volt DC aircon. It is already started, it is already working, because today I forgot to bring my IoT based temperature sensor in my Delhi office. So I have kept a normal temperature indicator there. So right now the ice outside, in the office cabin temperature is almost 36 degree or 27 degree. So I'll just tell you about something about the external things of this. We have kept 3 locks. We normally provide 3-point locks also, and in the smallest cabinet 3-point lock is not possible in the less than 15 or 16 cabinet. So here we have put 2 butterfly lock and 1 handle lock to maintain the maximum ingress protection from the environment for the dust insertion and anything. So this is a concrete base. Basically, you can put this cabinet in the concrete base, or you can hang it over the wall also. You can make it pole mount also, but you have to ensure that the wall you are putting it should be strong enough that the pole you are mounting it, the pole should have a good strength and a good base also. So now I will open this cabinet and show you the temperature which it is maintaining inside. Once again I will tell you that I have just demonstrating it. There is inside of one UPS, a fiber LIU, and some small things basically, which is very less heat generating things. So UPS is also not started, or nor we have kept any switch, any network switch there. Basically it was unavailable with us right now. So it will maintain around 21, 22 or sometimes 20 degree also. But if we activate if we on all the the network switches, 1 or 2 network switches, 1 UPS, then it can achieve up to 24 degree, 25 degree, 23 degree also, 26 degree also, and that is, I think, so sufficient and a good temperature to maintain the active components inside any cabinet. Yeah, now I will open this. Please bring the camera nearby. You can see the air condition is on. It's already working, and the temperature indicator is showing 21 degree inside the cabinet. Nothing is actually, this is the UPS, this is basically, and this is the battery, this is the fiber, this is the net supply 6 socket 5 and 15 ampere with MCB power distribution unit, and this is the LED light. This is the basic feature we provide with our cabinets is LED lights, because all such cabinets are mostly kept outside the street or any forest area or any hill area or anywhere. It's an outdoor cabinet basically. So if sometimes technical guy visit in the night to resolve some issues, technical issues, so that need to link his mobile phone like that. So this is a very common features we are providing with our racks basically. So the person does not require any lighting and all this thing. Once you will open the door, the light will blink automatically. Yeah, this is the limit switch and this is the LED light. This is a 5-watt LED light and depend upon product requirement also. But this is a demonstration unit. So now I will tell you something about the air conditioner. Please bring the camera nearby. This is a 300-watt DC air con, and we provide standard supply as a DC converter also with the air condition, and it works on L35 35 condition. It consumes 120 watt electricity only, and in the full peak the cooling capacity of this AC is 190 watt or 200 watt maximum. Here you can see the earthing cable. We provide earthing bars also that can be mounted over the units and anywhere between the side walls. And now this is the standard supply. The cable entry glands you can see here in the left corner, in the right corner, in the back, even in the back side. So if you pulling, if you can pull your cables from anywhere. In the left, if the cable is coming from the left side, you can pull out from here. If the cable is coming from the right side, you can pull out from here. Even if the cable is coming from the back side, so you can pull your cables inside, and you can very well manage your cables inside the cabinet. So this is the air condition, and this is the standard cabinet, 12U, 13U. Basically, I tell you, to maintaining, actually this is the height is around 350 and 400 mm the height of this air condition. So we need to make at least 12U or 13U cabinet to maintain this height basically. So if any system integrator or any user asks us if we need a smaller rack with the same air condition, so that is not possible. So we have to keep at least 12U or 13U height cabinet at least. And maximum you can go to 18U, 24U, 30U, depend upon the heat load basically, because we calculate the BTU and all these basically technical parameters to consult to recommend the proper air conditioning, proper cooling inside the cabinet. So it depends upon your numbers of your equipment and the wattage, the heat load and everything does matter. So this was a simple demonstration I am giving you, and this is the even we have available, this is the smallest and low capacity, I mean the 300 watt, and it is very useful for the using in the once you have 1 or 2 or 3 switches inside and one small 500 VA, 600 VA, 1 kV UPS, so that can maintain 25, 24, 26 degrees Celsius very easily. And if you need any bigger like big cabinet like 42U, 42U or any dimensional cabinet, so it depends upon the heat load. So we have options for 500 watt also, we have options for 600, we have options for 1000 watt, 1200 watts, 1100 watts, 1500 watts, 2000 watts, even more than that. So that depends on the product also. So this was the air condition base rack basically. You can hear the sound, the air condition is already working, and please bring the camera here. And you can see the communication ports are there, RS485 and all these things, and communication in RJ45 का भी है इसमें, run alarms and everything is there. And this is from this side, the chilled air is coming in. Yeah, and this is the compressor area. And now I have shown you almost everything in the cabinet. So I hope that you like the video, and it will be very knowledgeable for you also. And I request to all the system integrators, all the smart city system integrators, city surveillance system integrators, or any telecom system integrators, if you are a bit confused between investing on the air condition based racks or any industrial grade switches, so this is our recommendation to you. Please go for a air condition based rack basically, because it will cool all your another equipment also. Once if you buy any industrial grade switch, that is come around 1.25 lakh, 1.40 lakh or 1.50 lakh minimum. So here I cannot open the commercial, but I will indicate this is under 1 lakh rupees. This cabinet is under 1 lakh rupees, and also that depend upon the quantity and the products basically. So price is bit negotiable also. So just I am indicating you, this is 95,000 or under 1 lakh rupees cabinet with the air conditioning whole cabinet, and it is a dual wall cabinet, dual wall with insulation and everything. And this is a hell built cabinet. We have used galvanized steel into it, which is 1.5 mm thickness, or inside wall is 0.8 mm, so it becomes 2.3 mm cabinet almost. So it's a very good quality of cabinet, and we use pure polyester powder coating RL7035 crush. Also we can use RL7032 crush. It depends on the product and tender requirement also. So today video was just for this, to showing you the air conditioned deck. We have another options also, like in bigger decks, also bigger cabinet and with a bigger cooling capacity. So I hope that you will like the videos, and you will all your suggestions, feedbacks and commercials are welcome. We will always welcome, and in the description I will put my email IDs and all our cabinets and the website details and everything. So please follow us and like our videos, and I promise you I will keep you updating from all our products every time. Thank you so much once again.